Hello, 你好. Welcome to Chinese Begin. I'm Ella. In last lesson, we learned how to say hello in Chinese. This lesson, lesson 2, is introduce your name, the surname, and the full name. 我姓 and 我叫. In this lesson, you will learn the composition of Chinese name and how to introduce your surname and how to introduce your full name and SVO structure sentence. Okay, let's begin. Do you know the composition of a Chinese name? A Chinese name is composed of two parts, 姓 and 名. 姓 is surname. 名 is given name. The surname 姓 always goes first and the given name 名 goes after it. Usually, the surname has only one character. The given name 名 has one or two characters. For example, the Chinese name of Jack Ma is Ma Yun. Here, Ma is a surname. Yun is a given name. We can say both the surname and the given name are one character. The Chinese name of Jet Li is Ni Lianjie. Ni is a surname. Lianjie is a given name. Here, the given name Nianjie has two characters. Here, Wang Ni is a Chinese name. So, which part is its given name? Have a try. Great! The given name is always goes after the surname. So, the second character, Ni, is its given name. After learning the composition of a Chinese name, so how to introduce your name in Chinese? Let's look at how to introduce surname first. When you introduce your surname, you can say 我姓, then add your surname, which means my surname is. For example, 我姓王. 我姓王. 我 means I. 姓 surname to be. Wang is a Chinese surname. 我姓王 means my name is Wang. And can you introduce your surname in Chinese now? Have a try. If you don't have a Chinese name, just using your name. Very good. You can say 我姓, then plus your surname. Another way is to introduce your full name. When you introduce your full name, you can say 我叫, then add your full name, which means my full name is. For example, 我叫王丽. 我叫王丽. 我 means I. 叫 to be called. Wang Ni here is a female Chinese name. 我叫王丽. My name is Wang Ni. So, what's your full name? Try to introduce your full name in Chinese. Great! You can say 我叫, then add your full name. So, we learned two ways to introduce name in Chinese. Now, let's look at the sentence structure of them. 我姓王. In this sentence, 我 is a subject. 姓 acts as a verb. Wang is an object. And 我叫王丽. Similarly, in this sentence, 我 is the subject, 叫 also is a verb. 王毅 here is an object. We can find that the word order in these two sentences are subject, verb, and object structure. We call this kind of sentence SVO structure sentence for short. Most common sentence structure in Chinese, which is very important. We will learn more SVO structure sentences in our future lessons. In the end, let's have a review. In this lesson, we learned the composition of Chinese name. One Chinese name has two parts, the surname 姓, which goes first, and followed by the given name 名. Then, we learned how to introduce surname and full name in Chinese. We can say 我姓, then add surname, and 我叫, then add your given name. For example, 我姓王, which means my surname is Wang, and 我叫王毅 means my name is Wang Ni. And the keywords in this lesson are 我 means I and me. 姓 surname or surname to be. 叫 to call or to be called. Wang Ni, here is a female Chinese name. Okay, that's what we have learned today. In next lesson, we will learn how to ask others' name in Chinese. 你姓什么 and 你叫什么 What's your name? 再见, see you next time.